Okay, once this thing gets hot enough, you open that valve, the water comes out on this side, but that would be coffee. But again, I'm just making it now, running it with plain water to clean it out. Now here's the interesting thing. This other side is the steamer. If I shut this and then hit this, you're getting to steam your milk. But it sounds like this thing could be a bomb. I'm going to shut this off. Get all the steam out. This definitely doesn't seem like it has a safety valve. Not good. Yeah. Can't let my daughters use this. That'll be the end. All right. This is for men.